Fix Instagram keeps stopping issue. Quick and easy solutions. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to solve a common problem that many of you might face. Instagram keeps stopping. Don't worry, by the end of this video, your Instagram app will be working like a charm. Let's dive right in. First, let's go over the simplest fix. Often, it's just a minor glitch. Step 1. Restart your phone. Show a phone being restarted. Believe it or not, this clears out temporary bugs that could cause the app to crash. If restarting didn't help, the next step is to clear the app cache. Here's how you do it. 1. Go to Settings on your phone. 2. Scroll to Apps or Application Manager and find Instagram. 3. Tap on it, then click Storage. 4. Finally, tap Clear Cache. Still not working? Try clearing the app data. Same steps as before, but this time, tap on Clear Data. On screen text, Warning. This will log you out of Instagram, so make sure you remember your username and password. If none of that worked, it might be time to reinstall Instagram. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, and then download it again from the Play Store or App Store. Show the uninstall and reinstall process. Sometimes the issue is with your internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data and switch to a stable network. You can also try resetting your network settings. If you've tried all of these and Instagram still keeps stopping, here's a final trick. Update your phone's operating system. Bugs in older versions of Android or iOS can cause apps to crash. Show a phone updating its OS. And there you have it. Those are all the fixes you can try if Instagram keeps stopping. Let me know in the comments which one worked for you, or if you have any other questions, I'm here to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.